Welcome back to Reviews Plus. Today we have a new product for you guys. It's the Fitbit. We got it from Mgaolo on Amazon. Okay, now we're going to do an unboxing. Comes with the manual. It comes with a card that it says that it has warranty, and if we have any issues, to contact the seller. It comes with the bands and also actual tracker. There's a couple of tips before using the actual Fitbit. So the first one is actually how to charge it. The second one is how to download, that you should download the app, and then the third one is how to turn it on. So I want to show you how to charge the actual Fitbit. There's a charging port right under the sensitive button. So this will go directly into the USB port. Go like that. And there you go. So the apps are, the main screen is a watch, then there's your steps, kilometers walked, calories burnt, your blood pressure, your ECG level, so your heartbeats, and then your sleeping hours. So now the rest of the apps are features that you can get from the app, and you can add them to your Fitbit if you like, which we have done. So I want to show you how the sensor is working. So that's for the blood pressure and then for the heart rate. Now we're going to download the app. From the user manual, you can actually just scan the barcode and it'll open the App Store for you. After it's downloaded, it's going to just ask you a couple of things to allow your phone to access it. And then it's going to start asking you some personal questions about your age and your skin tone, and just to get more familiar with you. Height, weight, all of that. After you go through this step, then then it's gonna connect with the health app on your iPhone, and then you're gonna go into Bluetooth, and that's gonna actually connect the Fitbit with the app itself. Now you can see here all the different features, and you can track the features from the phone directly, and you can actually manually also check your pressure if you wanted to. And then here you can see where the extra features are that you can add. My final review on this product, for it not being the original Fitbit and for being half the price, it really does the job as it should. If you want to track your fitness journey, your blood pressure, and your heart rate, also like to be able to go into the app and for it to track your history is really beneficial. Also, the user manual was very informative. It provides all the steps that you need to actually use the Fitbit, so I didn't have any issues with that. Also, it's really lightweight, so just to use it all day, having it on your wrist, it didn't give me any issues. Also, I slept with it a few times and I felt nothing, so it's really great. It's also waterproof, which is a plus. So I do really recommend this if you're looking for a cheaper option, because it just does the same job. So it's great. I'm going to link the product in the description box below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.